Hey, I wanted to make a quick video just kind of showing one of the best uses for the xTool mini press here. So I am making custom stockings for some of my family members, and if you used a full-size heat press, it would be very difficult to actually press right here because of how much padding there is. So what I like to do is take my xTool mini press, because that will actually get right into the space that it needs to get into, and it works extremely well for situations like this. Obviously for shirts, the full-size xTool press is way better, but for stuff like this where you need to access kind of smaller areas, the mini press here is fantastic, and it is definitely the best tool for the job. I can't talk while I do it because I lose track of my counting. As a disclaimer, I did receive my xTool mini press for free. The mini press, perfect for this situation. It gets right where I want it. It doesn't take a whole lot of pressure to do. And there we go. Nice and easy. This stocking is just a $2 stocking from Walmart. So you can run to Walmart and pick one of those up. But if you'd like to pick up an xTool mini press, you can do that through the product link in this video's description. If you do, I will earn a small commission since that is an affiliate link. And thank you for watching. As always, have a great day.